around with expressionsvinyl.com, and I am so excited to share the December mystery box with you. If you've been around for a little while and seen the other mystery boxes, we just started adding vinyl blanks and different things to the boxes. So this box will be full of a lot of fun stuff. So here we go, and let's see what's in this box. So this is for the December one, and first are blanks, and we'll get to those in a minute. And then each box comes with heat transfer and adhesive vinyl. So we've got our heat transfer and our adhesive, and we'll go through what's in each of those, but I want to take you through the blanks really quick. So you'll get a bag, and it will have this fun pillow cover. It's always fun for holidays to change up the pillows that you've got. And also a bunch of tags, these little wooden tags. You can use them for ornaments or tags on like stockings, anything like that. There's 5 of those, and it comes with the jute to go with it. And then 2 acrylic ornaments and the ribbons to go with those. So those are going to be so fun with the vinyl that we've chosen. So let's get started on the vinyl. The first one is the heat transfer. Okay, and each packet will come with your cheat sheet that tells you everything that's in it and also recommended cut settings and heat settings. So it comes with the glitter, heat transfer glitter in grass, silver sword sparkle. I love this one. So the sparkle and silver sword. Peppermint sticks, which is a new pattern. Isn't that one fun for this time of year? And then winter pine cones. It's got a bunch of different green, and the brown for the pine cones and the red. Another fun one. And those 2 are exclusive to the box. And then bright red easy weed, green apple easy weed, and then mocha easy weed. And all of these will work great with these 2 patterns. So look how fun those are. I think this is a fun box, and these are fun patterns. I'm looking forward to creating stuff with it. Okay, the next one is the the adhesive. And in this one, they'll be in 2 separate packs. And this one has, again, your cheat sheet and your recommended cut settings. And again, these are just recommendations. Always do a test cut. Always do a test cut. The first one, which I am excited about, is the rain in silver. If you haven't tried this one, it is a fun one. Then winter pine cone. You've got this one in adhesive as well as a heat transfer. And then look at this fun one. Snowfall. The trees with the little red birds. It's going to be another fun one. And then peppermint sticks. And in Oracal 651 permanent vinyl, we've got yellow, green, silver metallic, and red. So those are another set of fun colors to match all of the other adhesive. Then, to make it even better, we've got Red Hot. And if you haven't used Red Hot, this is color changing vinyl. It starts out red, and when it gets hot, it changes to yellow. So if you haven't tried it, now's the perfect chance to try it. And then, of course, your transfer tape. And you'll get 2 sheets of that. We are so excited for what's in this box. And again, you'll get your packet of heat transfer, your packet of adhesive, and your vinyl blanks, which, of course, for December ornaments, you can use these ornaments or tags, these little wooden ones, paint and then put vinyl on them, and a pillow cover. And any mystery box after this, we're starting to include vinyl blanks, so you're going to want to subscribe and make sure you get all of them coming up. And also this box will include cut files from a girl in a glue gun. She makes the funnest cut files, so I'm excited to use all of those. So stay tuned for the fun projects, and we can't wait for you to start creating.